What's up, Almighty boys? AJ Almighty checking in again with another YouTube video. If you watched last YouTube videos, we took care of a couple issues that I had with the truck, and now we're gonna be working on doing these upper control arms because it needs it badly. And let me go ahead and show y'all. So in the last video, I talked about the hole in here. So we got a piece of material put behind there and got it pretty much just recovered. I know it's not the best job, it's probably not the most professional, but it solves the problem. So, and the price I paid to get it done was super cheap, so I'm not even worried about it being perfect, but we did take care of that, so the hole's not there anymore. And that's pretty much it. So right now I got some chocks under the wheels, and we're gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up, get the truck jacked up, take the wheels off and start working on these upper control arms. So y'all stay tuned.
That's where you wanted it, right there?
Alright, so I never had the wheel lock because I never took the wheel off since I bought the truck. So the wheel lock for this, I don't have it. So I just got a 19 on there. I'll end up replacing the lug nuts on here because it's kind of damaging them, but oh well. Ooh, I know this bitch. Finally got it to come out there. Shit. Talk about shot. Hell. Alright, hopefully I can get these top bolts out and get this whole assembly to drop down so I can get the bolts, because they're caught on the spacer behind there. I don't know why Ford decided to put the bolts running that way when they could just run it that way. It'd be much easier to take out. But hey, do what you gotta do. And I got the bolts out the side, but they hit on the strut towel. So the whole strut gotta drop off. So I got the top nuts of the struts off, but I gotta get the bottom nut off so I can get the strut out in order to get the bolts to come through. You see they hit on the side. You can't pull the bolt all the way through. It hit. The bolt go that way. So the strut gotta come out. But
Cause see, I'm gonna tell you, this need to come out so this can tilt.
can I roll?
That's sad, motherfucker. Gotta do all that.
I'm gonna get
It's sad, bro. It's sad.
I can't do nothing. That bitch coming out. It's coming out. Hey. This gotta get back in. This gotta get back in. This gotta go on the phone. Alright, now I need some help. Yep, I gotta get this castle nut on.
But you didn't loosen it.
I work with real tools. This a monkey rule.
No.
This a hand tool or a power tool?
That's a power tool.
Okay, just make it.
That's a Milwaukee. There you go. I just motherfucking clicking, son. You clicking, son. You the motherfucker made that left on goddamn Independence. Independence, goddamn.
Coming down MLK the way I'm riding.
Don't tighten that bitch up. I told you, dog. Hey, I'm just a phone call away, dog.
I'm trying to be done with this motherfucker. This side right here.
Well, you still got a whole nother side to go. Shit.
Alright, now this one's gonna turn out way easier because I done dealt with that side trying to figure it out and I already know what to do. So pretty much, remove this bolt, remove the two outside, remove this nut, remove the two outside nuts. This bolt slides through, easy. This one slides through easy. This, I cut the excess part off, the part that doesn't have any threads. Just cut that off. This gonna slide through, pop everything back in, and I'm good to go. So the first side was the hard side because you're trying to figure it out. But once you got it down, now I know what to do. I ain't even gonna mess with all this. Now I will be tapping back into this truck to go ahead and do the tie rod in and these links down here. I think they might be sway bar links or something like that. I'm not, I don't know everything about cars, okay? I just know that I'm not gonna spend no money and have somebody else do something I can do. So these will get replaced and then these back here will get replaced. So I'll tear back into this at a later date. Y'all see that video, but let's go ahead and knock this side out.
You can't motherfucking turn the corner without turning straight and straight your wheel. One of these motherfucking extra large ass shit.
Motherfucker can't say the job ain't done.
That wasn't even 30 minutes.
YouTube, it's been 2 days since I've installed these new upper control arms, and it's no longer rubbing on the struts on both sides at full lock. I can go full lock and not rub anymore. So I know once I go ahead and do those tie rod ends and like the sway bar links, and probably switch these out for the 6-inch lift rough country shocks, the truck will, you know, handle much better. Probably need to add a doggone steering stabilizer as well. But I've been looking at that rough country airbag kit for the back, so the helper airbag setup, and then probably switching out these rear shocks too as well. I need to figure out how to use my hideaway goose, because I never used it, so I need to figure out how to make the ball come out to the top or whatever, but I'll get to that later. Okay, so y'all leave down in the comments what other videos y'all want to see. I pretty much made a decision on making this channel just strictly lifestyle and my personal vehicles, so like the truck, the Harley, you know, the dirt bike, the Mustang, stuff like that. My personal vehicles and my personal lifestyle is gonna be all on this channel. And if y'all want to see, like, if you're subscribed to me for fix and flips, like you found out about my channel from the fix and flips, all those videos will be on my old YouTube channel that I used to do fix and flips on. I've just got you know, access back into that channel, so it's Almighty Garage. I'm gonna leave it down in the description. And the Ninja build that's on here, the KTM build, and the KX100 build that's on this channel will end up moving to that channel. And the new YZ125 build that I just did, I'm still working on editing that video. That video will be on that channel. So if you're here for, you know, more lifestyle content and my personal stuff, my personal vehicles, then stay subscribed here. If you're just here for the fix and flips, subscribe to the other channel. That way it won't be so much of like trying to please everybody on one channel, because it's just gonna mess up the numbers at the end of the day. If I have people that's here wanting to see truck content and I'm putting out fix and flips, they're not gonna watch it. If I have people that want to see Harley content and not other Japanese bikes, you know, that are fix and flips, they're not gonna watch it. So it's just gonna make the video numbers inconsistent. So if you're here for fix and flips, go subscribe to Almighty Garage, my bad. So appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Catch y'all on the next one.